Hello dear traders and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover Euro versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the Euro versus US dollar first. So basically what we got on a 4-hour time frame is that we have a very well defined trading range, and I alerted about this in my previous forecasts. And what happened basically yesterday is that the market tried to trade higher, but it never sustained above, and it just reversed here and had this reversal, basically had this uptrust bar and candle, and then at this stage market is sitting around 1.0610, which is one mini support area here, but the key support zone is set at 1.0580, so there will be a chance or potential retest of that whole zone. So if the market can clear 1.0609 and trade below, then potentially it can open the door for 1.0580 to be on the test. If we speak about the gold market, we had something very similar. So market did tried to trade and traded above the resistance zone, but market rejected very aggressively here. And let me go to the 1-hour time frame and show you that we established actually this zone yesterday, and this is also the zone that held very strongly around 1810. And we can see that this morning we have a initially downside movement. We also took some rising trend lines, so there is a chance for retest of, from my perspective, of 1800 mark. Even if there is a further downside move, we can even go towards this a major zone from the daily time frame. You can see that we have a 1785, which is this area here. That's the key zone, and we also have one here at 1795. So definitely watch for selling opportunities intraday for at least retest of 1800 mark, and eventually if there is even more power to the downside, and we have a chance to test 1795 or 1785. If we speak about the crude oil, we just go here. We established this resistance zone today, and the next area of support will be this key support zone from here. So from my perspective, there is a chance for the crude oil to revisit 77.50 or even 77.10 mark. So watch for that level. We created this resistance zone for today here, and the lower prices might be in the play. And speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, here we have, I alerted about it. The market can trade and hold above. There is a chance for retest of the highs, but if the market cannot hold and just reject like this, then the odds are that market can trend lower towards the 16,560, which a market already did. And now the current levels for today, we have a key cluster of support zone here, which now became resistance as we see. So there is still a potential for the downside movement, maybe another retest of 16,470 mark, and some key pivot level on the dailies all the way here. We have this cluster where we have many lows here on the daily. So this whole cluster around, I will say 15,000, I will say 800 mark, towards the 15,500 mark. That zone might be in the play in the next period. We also have this swing low here, right from this P-bar low. So the lower prices might be in the play towards this low 16,500 mark and 60,350 mark. That'll be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you tomorrow morning.